Okay, so welcome to this week's market review and expectation. The week has been very eventful. Yeah, so this is the dollar index. This is the dollar index. Yeah, so in the previous week, I was actually looking at price dropping, okay, much lower, but I gave two situations, right? Give two conditions that I'm looking out for to confirm on Monday, right? Because if you take a look at um the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, we had filled in this particular fair value gap right here, okay, on this candle. And so I was looking for a confirmation on this particular fair value gap right here, okay, this fair value gap, the low of this candle, and then the high of this candle. I was looking for price to close above that particular level if we are to continue going higher. So I was looking at Monday's trading, and quite unfortunately, we couldn't get that on Monday's trade. This is Monday's trade. This is Tuesday. Price traded above the higher end of that particular fair value gap, but couldn't close. I was only looking at a close above that particular fair value gap, okay, to confirm that, okay, so indeed we filled in this fair value gap. Okay, we filled in that fair value gap, and we will be trading much higher. Otherwise, the initial drop for the dollar index was my ultimate target. And we had the close above that particular fair value on Wednesday, rather. Okay, so on Wednesday, we had that particular close above. And if you look at this particular candle, this Thursday's candle, how price reacted to the lower end of the fair value gap. Okay, just right to the pip. That's the using this particular fair value gap, rather. See, right to the pip. Okay, right to the pip. Yeah, so the goal, my target for this week is simple. We've had the confirmation, and the continuation I expect it should continue higher. So where we are right now, I'm expecting price to go much higher. Okay, I'm expecting price to go much higher and probably trade into the initial target that I was looking at. Okay, in this way we are, yeah. So this lower end of this monthly fair value gap. Okay, yeah, so let's see, on Monday I'm looking at price opening up and then trading towards this level, and hopefully you can take out this high and then that particular high. Remember, we'll be heading towards a fair value gap, sorry, a lower end of a fair value gap. Okay, yeah, so there could be some kind of resistance right here. Okay, on the weekly level, let me point it out. Yeah, so this level, okay, that's what's denoted right here. So there could be some little resistance right there, but I'm looking at price trading through and then going much higher. Yeah, so let's see what the market has to offer us, and then we trade accordingly. Yeah, so let's take a look at what news impact or news releases we are to look out for in the coming week. Okay. Yeah, so in the coming week, that is from 16th to 20th, we are to take note of these news releases. Affecting the euro is the French flash manufacturing PMI, okay, and then it's happening at 8:15 a.m. high impact news, and also at 8:30 a.m. the German flash manufacturing PMI also affecting the euro. At 8:35, ECB Lagarde speaks. President Lagarde speaks. Yeah, so we have to also take a look at that as a made impact. And then GBP, we have the flash manufacturing PMI, okay, also affecting the pound. Yeah, so at 2:45, we have the flash manufacturing PMI and then flash services PMI also affecting the dollar index. So Monday, a lot of volatility to be injected into the marketplace. So we have to be very much aware of that. So I just uploaded the video about trading the yen and then the GBP and then the euro using analysis from the dollar index. You can take a look at it. Yeah. So on Tuesday we have the claimant counts change also affecting the pound at 7 a.m. And then the next high impacts is at 1:30, which is for the core retail sales affecting the dollar index. And on Wednesday, we have the GBP CPI at 8 a.m. Okay, and then at 7 p.m., we have the federal funds rates affecting the dollar index, and then FOMC economic projections, and then the FOMC statements. So on Wednesday, lots of volatility or lots of fireworks, to come into the marketplace. Yeah, so you can take advantage of Monday and Tuesday's trade, and then we hold on till 7 p.m. or maybe early hours of Wednesday. Then the late hours, get into the evening, we just see what the market has to offer. Then yeah, so tentative this for the yen, let's boycott that for now. And then the pound at 12 p.m. we have the monetary policies summary, and then NPC official bank rates with official bank rates here also, they are affecting the pound. Okay, then at 1:30 p.m. you have the final GDP, and then the unemployment claims also affecting the US dollar, right? Then on Friday we have the retail sales and then the core PCE price index also affecting the pound and then the dollar respectively, also at 7 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. respectively. Yeah, so on Wednesday there's going to be lots of volatility to be injected during this hour 7 p.m. there. So let's take a look at it, and then we monitor our trades and we trade responsibly. Yeah, so thank you for watching.